So is Midjourney or DALL-E better? Which AI art generator is the best in 2025? Well, I have a side by side image of which we are going to check out whether Midjourney or DALL-E is better. So, here is Midjourney AI. As you can see, they are realistic. Each image shows a very realistic image, and it's pretty much really lifelike and actually brings out the color into things. And yeah, it seems very critical and also very high quality. Whereas Dolly, they have these different art styles. Maybe you're into that, maybe you're into abstract or those different art styles. Like, for example, this one, if you're into art styles like this or different art styles, because they don't particularly specialize in realistic ones, but they do have loads of different other art styles that you could work with, unlike Midjourney, which pretty much focuses on these real life people. Like, look at this, it looks amazing and high quality. I actually thought this was a real person at the first glance. There you go. These look like real people, and yeah, in my opinion, if you're going for real people, I would suggest taking Midjourney. But if you want to take a more creative art style, like a more creative path like these ones, I would choose Dolly because, as you can see, the art styles are very, very wide and they vary. And while Midjourney is just pretty much more realistic, but as you can see, there are also different kinds of art styles and these neon ones, but pretty much it's all up to you. In my opinion, Midjourney is way more high quality and actually looks like real people, while DALL-E looks more a bit cartoonish or creative. So that's about it for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.